So lately I have been really into doing my brows after I do my foundation. I think primarily it's because I'm lately been using a brow pencil instead of a pomade, so I feel like it glides better over a base versus on bare skin. So I think that's what I'm going to do today. I'm going to start off with the face and then we'll do the eyes because I'm not doing anything too crazy with the eyes. It's going to be kind of neutral, maybe. I don't know. I always say I'm going to do it like that, but it never ends up happening. So to prime the skin, we're going to go in with one of my favorite primers. This here is the Benefit Professional, and this is just the original pore primer. So now let's go into the foundation. I'm actually really excited about today's foundation because I've never tried it before. Let me know in the comments if you guys have tried this before. But this here is the Cargo Cosmetics Swimmables Long Wear Foundation. What kind of coverage we get? It is thicker, which is nice because that does mean that it's going to be full coverage. I covered up really nicely. So I went ahead and I added about 1.5 layers. I took 1 full layer around the face and then just a half a layer on each side on the cheek area, and I think once I get powder and stuff on it, it'll come out better. For brows, I'm going to go in with the Benefit Ka-Brow. This is in the shade 4.5. This is one of their new shades that they have out. For concealer, I'm going to be taking the Tarte Creaseless Concealer. I'm in the shade Light Medium Neutral. To set everything, now I'm going to go in with the Rimmel Stay Matte Mattifying Loose Powder. For bronzer, I'm going to be taking this shade from the Maybelline Master Contour. For blush, we're going to be going in with this blush right here by Cargo. This is in the shade Ibiza. So I'm going to be taking a combination of 2 palettes. I'm going to be starting out with the Born to Run palette by Urban Decay, and then I have this one, which I really want to use as a shade base, which is from NARS. This is, I believe, part of their fall collection. This is the Mojave palette, and I'm really excited to use this shade. So to start off, we're going to go in with the very first shade, and let's take this very first shade right here called Still Shot. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually use this to apply as a transition shade because I really want to keep it warm and I really want this color to peek through. Then I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to go in with the shade Riff right here. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go in with the color Wanderlust, which is this nice deep green shade right here. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take that on the outer corner. To intensify the outer corner just a little bit more, I'm going to go in with the shade Radio, which is this deep blue, and I'm going to go ahead and just take it on top of that green, and that's just going to add a little bit more oomph to the look. Now I'm going to go ahead and take this shade from the NARS palette. This is the Mojave palette. I do believe this is part of their fall collection. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to apply it to the rest of my lid. Keep in mind, I feel like this color is a much better color suited to apply with your finger, but because I have nails, I have to use a brush, but definitely try it using just your finger. You guys will be mind blown. Alright, so I went ahead and I did a winged liner. It has been quite some time since I've done winged liner, you guys, and I was like, I don't know if it's going to come out good, but it came out fine. And for that, I used my favorite gel liner. This here is the Morphe gel liner in Slate. And now we're going to go ahead and prep the lashes, and I'm going to be using the Monsieur Big mascara by Lancome. This one is one of my favorite mascaras, you guys. It is amazing for anybody that wants voluminous lashes. And then of course I'm gonna add lashes because I feel like this look looks amazing with lashes. And I'm gonna be using the Allure and Vegas Nay collection. This here is their Luxe collection in Bronze Beauty. So the lashes are on. What do you guys think? I love Vegas Nay lashes. Ever since she did her collaboration, like I'm obsessed. I have so many of her lashes. If you guys are looking for something really fluffy and awesome, definitely check out her line. But now we are gonna move into highlighter. So for highlighter, I'm gonna go in with this. It is a little bit of a small sample, but it's the Fort de France highlighter by NARS. It is really small, but it is a beautiful wet gold formula. Again, I like it because it's very easy to build. You guys see that? Like, it's just so soft and it's really silky, which I think is amazing. And then for the lips, we're going to finish off with these new Too Faced Melted Metallic Liquid Lipsticks. I don't know how new they are, but they're really, really pretty and I wanted to try them out. And the two shades I'm going to be using is Pillow Talk and You Better Work. So that there finishes off this makeup look. You guys, we are completely done. And I'm going to tell you guys right now, I really love the blue. I'm so glad I went with blue instead of just like a neutral look. But let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this look. And if there's any other products in here that you guys are dying to get your hands on, let me know. Otherwise, please make sure to subscribe before you guys head out if you guys haven't. And if you guys are already subscribed, just make sure to hit that notification bell. Thank you again for watching, and I cannot wait to see you guys in my next video. Bye.